In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate DNS records and update domain forwarding in Squarespace domains. If your domain forwarding is not working the way you expect, one common reason is that there are old or duplicate DNS records still pointing to a previous destination. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to review those records, remove any conflicts, and then reapply your forwarding settings so everything works cleanly. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Squarespace domains dashboard. Once you're signed in, locate the domain you want to update and select it. From there, click into DNS settings. This is where your domain's routing records are managed, and it's the place you'll want to check anytime forwarding or connection issues come up. When you're inside the DNS settings, carefully scan through the list of records. What you're looking for are duplicate A records or CNAME records that still point to an old destination. These outdated entries can interfere with your current forwarding setup, because DNS may not know which instruction to follow. Take your time here and read each record closely so you only remove the ones that are actually causing the conflict. If you find any duplicate or conflicting records, delete them by clicking the trash can icon next to each one. Make sure you're only removing the entries that point to the old destination and not any records that are still required for your current setup. Being precise at this stage is important because deleting the wrong record can interrupt your domain behavior. Once the conflicting records have been removed, go to the Forwarding tab. This is where you'll re-enter your desired forward rules. Add the destination you want your domain to forward to and double-check the details before saving. It's always a good idea to review the forwarding target carefully to make sure there are no typos or leftover settings from the previous configuration. After that, save your changes. At this point, the setup is complete, but keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. It can take up to 48 hours for global propagation, which means the new settings need time to update across servers around the world. In many cases, changes appear sooner, but it's best to allow the full window before assuming something is still wrong. If the forwarding doesn't work immediately, give it some time and avoid making repeated changes unless absolutely necessary. That helps prevent confusion and makes troubleshooting easier. And that's how to remove duplicate DNS records and refresh your forwarding rules in Squarespace domains.